How to delete a listing on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is an online platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various products and services within their local community. If you've posted a listing and want to delete it, stay tuned to the end of the video to learn how to do it. Deleting a listing on Facebook Marketplace is a relatively simple process. To begin, open the Facebook app. In the search bar, type Facebook Marketplace and click on it. Now when you accessed Facebook Marketplace, click on the avatar icon in the top right corner. In the selling section, select your listings to access your listings. When you've chosen the listing you want to delete, click on the 3 horizontal dots next to the listing's title. In the drop-down menu, choose the Delete Listing option to remove the listing. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete. Specify the reason for deleting the listing and confirm by clicking Submit. After these steps, your listing will be removed from Facebook Marketplace. It's important to know that once you've deleted a listing, you cannot recover it. We hope this video was helpful. Follow us for more useful tutorials.